Welcome to another video of your channel, HazloEasy. In this video, we will learn how to fold a napkin in this way. It is beautiful, practical, and very decorative. This video is part of the playlist Folding Paper Napkins. Take a look, we leave you a link up here and you can find many ways to fold napkins. Let's get started. We have chosen a 20 centimeters napkin. As you can see, it is multi-layer. We have to place the napkin in this way so that it allows us to fold the top side down. This corner up here, we're going to take it down and fold it as best we can. Turn it over. And we are going to bring this corner to this point, about a little bit more than half of the napkin. And we do the same with another corner and bring it to the end. As you can see, it is a very fast way to fold the napkin, and it looks very good. You have to try that the fold is symmetrical to each other. If we have a little tip left over like this one, we'll just fold it inwards and that's it. And now you can put your cutlery. We hope you like this way of folding napkins. It is very elegant and fast. Here we leave you some final screenshots that are of your interest. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. Share if you liked it, and from your channel HazloEasy, we thank you once again. See you in the next video.